Yes, this is it. A special visa category for people that hold engineering certificate to migrate to Australia. Yeah, with this visa, you do not need a job offer to apply. You don't need any proof of fund to apply. And most times you don't need work experience. Before I forget, you do not need skill assessment. How sweet is that? You only need 6 documents to apply for this visa. In this video today, we are going to talk about the eligibility criteria, who is qualified to apply, and all it takes to apply. We will also show you how to apply. It is all done online. If this sounds like something you want to hear, please sit back and let's dig in. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Jenkins Creation, where we keep it real. Okay, thank you my subscribers, you guys rock. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and become a member of this beautiful community where we keep it real. And please do like my video. Let's dig in. Without wasting your time, let's move. Let me show you where to find this information. If you click the link in the description section of this video, you will get to the immigration website for this particular visa. This is visa 476. It is skilled recognized graduate visa. This visa allows you to migrate to Australia for 18 months. However, you cannot renew this particular visa, but you can apply for other skilled visa, work visa in Australia. Yes, because it's a valid visa. Once you are in, you can go for other visa after the 18 months. Okay, or even before the 18 months, as long as you have this visa. All right, about this visa will allow you to work and study in Australia for 18 months, and you can apply for subsequent visa, different types of visa. You can move in with your family. You can apply with your family members, your spouse and your children. But as soon as the decision is made for the visa, you cannot add them again. However, they can apply to join you. So when you're applying for the visa, you add them, or after the visa, when you're already in Australia, they can join you. They can apply to join you as your family members. This visa will cost you 425 Australian dollars. This is one of the cheapest visa. However, there may be other payments that are involved, but this is the official visa cost. For this visa, you can apply from inside or outside of Australia, but before they make a decision for your visa, that is whether to grant or not to grant, you must be outside of Australia. So if you're inside of Australia, when you apply, you have to go out to get your visa, or you can just be outside and apply. So this visa is for offshore and onshore applicants. Processing time for this visa varies. However, try to submit all the required documents to shorten the processing time. With this visa, you will just get a visa label, electronic one, so you don't need anybody to stamp your visa. And the application for this visa is online as well. I will show you the link and where to apply. There is no skill assessment, so you don't need those. All right, so let's talk about other eligibility criteria for this particular visa, visa 476. Okay, you must have engineering qualification from a specified educational institution. We're going to open that link and show you the institution and the type of qualification you must have. However, you must be 31 years or younger. If you're above 31 years, this visa is not for you. You must also meet the health requirements and the criminal check, the character requirement, which means you're supposed to have police certificate from any country you have lived for more than 12 months in the last 10 years. Okay. All right, let's talk about the English requirement. Okay, some people may not require to write English. If you hold a passport from UK, USA, Canada, New Zealand, or Republic of Ireland, you are not required to write any English exam. However, if you don't belong to this category, it means that you are supposed to write English exam. It can be general or academic out, IELTS, and they take 6 in all, like 6 in total score, and you are supposed to get minimum of 5 in all bands. So I think that's a pretty good score, an average score for someone to make. Okay, so if you are writing PTE, or you are writing TOEFL, or you're writing OET, they are all here, the required score. So you just need to look. Now for your engineering certificate, let's see what that is required. Okay, so maybe you have bachelor degree, master's degree, doctorate, or postgraduate diploma. So it can be bachelor, master, PhD, or postgraduate diploma obtained in the last 2 years. Okay, and it has to be civil engineering, structural engineering, chemical engineering, environmental engineering, electrical engineering, or mining and material engineering. Okay, if you have any of these qualifications and it is obtained from certain countries, okay, from certain institution, okay, first of all, they only want any of this qualification obtained from any institution that is signatory, or rather belongs to the organization that is called Washington Accord. Engineering Association of certain countries are accredited. Okay, so for example, if you obtain your qualification from any of those countries that belongs to that organization, you are eligible. However, they have added more countries apart from institution or country that belongs to Washington Accord. Before I open the link for Washington Accord, I want to show you other institutions that are also added to the list. So if you obtain your qualification from any of the following institutions, you are eligible. And these institutions are Argentina Catholic University of Argentina, Brazil, Federal University of Milan. Then we have Chile. We have how many schools from Chile? A lot. Universidad Católica de Norte, Catholic University of Chile, University of Chile, University of Concepcion. Then we have a university from Finland, HUT. Then we have universities in Germany, RWTH. We have another one, Technical University of Berlin, Technical University of Clausthal. We have another Germany university, TU. Then we have a lot of universities from India, Anna University, Kanal, Banaras University, India Institute of Science, India Institute of Engineers, Indian School of Mines. Then we have universities from Iran, University of Tehran, Amir Kabir University. Then we have People Republic of China, Belgian Normal University, a lot of university from China anyways. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 universities from China. Then university from Philippines, University of the Philippines. Then Poland, there's a university from Poland, is the Wicklow University of Technology. Slovakia, TU Slovakia. Then Sweden is the Luleå University of Technology. And Tanzania, there is a university from Tanzania. It is called University of Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Then let's go to Washington Accord. Okay, for the Washington Accord, if you hit the link, I will share the link differently in the description section. Then you will open the link, you download their book. All right, so there you will see the list of countries. So if you obtain your qualification from Australia, Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, United Kingdom, United States, Hong Kong, China, South Africa, Japan, Singapore, or Korea. Okay, Chinese, Malaysia, Turkey, and Russia, then you know you are qualified for this visa as well. There are some countries as well, 15 countries that are still on provisional accreditation. They are not included as well. Now, if you belong to any engineering organization or from the country you graduate from or country you live, and they are not in this list, yeah, then you are not qualified. If you're a member of your engineering association, I think it's high time you people ask question and ask the ESCOs or the executives and ask them, why are we not belonging to all these international organizations? Because that's where they measure standard. You know, before you go through accreditation process, there are some evaluation that has to go through. Okay, they will do probational accreditation and so on, and assessment and so on, before they certify this particular organization or engineering association of a particular country that they are up to standard. Okay, so it's time we start asking questions if we belong to organization and say, why are we not doing this? What will it take us to do this? Okay, all right, now let's move to how to apply for this visa. Where do you click and what are the documents that are required for the application? Okay, now I said it before, you need only 4 documents. You can apply online. It is actually done online. You don't do paper one. Okay, it is applied via IMI account. Okay, I will share the link for IMI account. The document you need is, you need your qualification document. First of all, you need your identity, your data page of your passport, and also maybe national ID card, anything that will use to identify you as a person. The second thing you need is your proof of qualification. You will need your transcript from any of these schools, and also a letter to show that you have completed your studies, which will also have the date of your completion and so on. Remember, it has to be within the last 2 years that you obtain either your bachelor degrees, masters, PhD, or your postgraduate diploma. Okay, the next document you need is your proof of English. If you have from any of these countries, Canada, US, Ireland, New Zealand, you do not need English. However, if you are not, you need to provide your proof of English. We've showed the list of proof of English that is required. And the last document is your character document. That is your police certificate from any country you have lived in the last 10 years, any country you have lived for up to 12 months. Okay, now if you want to include your spouse, your children, and so on, you need to bring a proof, their documents as well, to be added, and that is it. So you go to IMI account link, hit it, and you create a profile once you have these 4 documents and you are eligible to apply. Okay, all right, so this is the link. You create or you log on to your IMI account, fill the form, attach your document, and pay for the application fee. You do not need any agent for this. It is very straightforward. This is one of those Australian visas that is very straightforward. Like, it is easy to apply. There is no complication. Okay, All right, that brings us to the end of this video. Now you know what it takes to apply for this special category visa 476. Why not try if you are qualified? All right, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, like my video and share if you can. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.